Hello friends, this is Heidi with Kiddos Koral, and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you guys. So it's going to be kind of a non-planned video today, but I decided to go ahead and set up my camera and show you guys how to make my taco pies. These are super easy and they are really, really delicious. So the first thing you want to use is a pillsbury pie crust. You can make your own pie crust, but just to keep it on the very simple side, I'm using the Pillsbury pie crust. And all you want to do is place your pie crust into your pie plates. I'm using a Christmas one because it just happened to be out and I'm making two. I like using the Pillsbury pie crust that comes like this because I feel like they have more of a homemade taste to them as opposed to some of the others. Sometimes I buy the frozen pie crust that's already in the pie plates, but I really like using these. I think that they get the job done and they work really well. I put my pie plates on a baking sheet because it just makes it easier to take them in and out of the oven when they're done. And I'm just going to press the sides just a little bit. I don't do anything. There they are, ready to go into the oven. I just pinched them just a little bit around the edges. No biggie. I'm going to pop these into the oven. In this pot I have 2 pounds of ground turkey. Now you can use ground beef, but because you're going to pour this mixture into your pie crust, you want to make sure you use a lean ground beef and be sure to drain all of the liquids off of it before you add any further ingredients to your meat. But because I'm using a very lean meat and I'm using ground turkey, I'm not really going to have to worry about that too much, and I just added just a tiny bit of olive oil to my pan just to keep the turkey from, you know, sticking to the bottom. To this I've got a chopped onion I'm going to add to this. And I'm just going to brown this meat and my onion all together until it is done. Now I have my hamburger meat, well, my turkey meat, and my onion all browned. Now I'm making 2 pies. You do not have to make 2 pies if it's too much for your family. So I'm going to add in 2 packages of taco seasoning. Well, once you get your taco seasoning in and combined, you're going to use about a half a cup, not the whole jar, about half a cup of your salsa and add it to your meat mixture. I'm going to turn the heat down, and as soon as my pie crust come out, then we'll be able to assemble our taco pies. Now that my pie crust have come out, I want to go ahead and I'm showing you one in front of the camera. I gotta get a spoon. And you want to fill your pie crust with half of the meat mixture because I'm making 2. Like I said, you could half this and you wouldn't have to make 2. Looks good. And then you want to use shredded cheese, but because I don't have a grater, I just cut my cheese up in small little bites, and I'm just going to throw it crumbled all over the top of the meat mixture. Just like so. And and I'm using extra sharp cheddar cheese, but you don't have to. I'm just using what I have on hand because I'm trying to utilize all of everything that's in the fridge and freezer since the holidays is over. So I'm going to put that cheese, and I'm going to come back shortly. I'm going to shred some lettuce, and then I'll show you how to finish this pie. Now at this point, you want to just cover your pie with shredded lettuce. And you can do diced tomatoes, you can do black olives. You could even have added a can of refried beans if you wanted to the taco mixture. You can make this completely your own. But I just like it the way that I'm fixing it. It's the way I always fix it. So I'm doing shredded lettuce, and then I don't top the pie with the sour cream. You can if your entire family likes it, but I have certain ones in the house that doesn't like sour cream. So what I do is I just go ahead and I slice it, and then I'll put a little extra of the salsa and a little dollop of the sour cream on the top, and then we're good to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. Please subscribe if you have not, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.